Hello. In this video, I'm going to show you or I'm going to teach you how to record vocals in FL Studio 21. So first, don't forget to like and subscribe before we begin, and let's dive in. So here we need to open FL Studio 21. And wait a few seconds till it's opening. So the first thing what we're going to do here, we'll go to File and click on New, and then we'll go to Options and choose Audio Settings. And here, you're going to choose the input or output device that you got. In my case, I got FL Studio ASIO, that depends on your way. And this is your simple rate Hertz, which HZ shortcut. You can change this one based on what you got. Now this part is very important. This is your buffer settings. You need to change it to fit, for example, 3ms. So we can take it a little bit to the right or even to the left. So it's been 3ms. Now here, this is your metronome track. You can change it whatever you want. In my case, I would make it on 5. That's my favorite one, to make it on 5 here. You can just swipe up until it's 5. As you can see, you can change it wherever you want, but I prefer to make it on 5. So here, if I turn on this metronome and I click on play, as you can hear, so we can change this one and change these settings in order to change the locals on your Studio 21st or even 21. So that's how we can play locals and Studio 21. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.